Namaste friends, my name is Kiran Tandon. This is my first video of this channel. Through this medium, I intend to provide information about sacred laws of universe. Friends, as soon as you hear about the universal laws, first thing which strikes your mind is law of attraction. This law has gained much popularity in the recent times. If you have read or know something about this law of attraction, this video is meant for you. Before I proceed further, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to stay tuned for my upcoming videos. To begin with, I didn't even know there was a universal law or yet one law or there were 12. I realized that a great many of us have never heard of these laws. Most of us were never taught this in school, and I'm certain that my own parents were never aware of these laws. A few years back, I was introduced to law of attraction through books like Secret and some spiritual practices. But many great people discounted it as a new age mumbo jumbo. I heard countless people say, I tried it and it didn't work. They would then proceed to tell me that they tried thinking or intending their wish into existence, and no matter how hard they thought about it or intended it, the wish was never fulfilled. So my question, did you apply these other 11 laws with the law of attraction? Answer maybe, I don't know. I was not aware of them. Or were they also supposed to be applied? These laws are ancient, mystical, and esoteric secret teachings dating back more than 5,000 years from ancient Egypt to ancient Greece and to the Vedic tradition of ancient India. Each of these civilizations shared a common thread when they passed down these 12 spiritual laws of the universe. When I asked about this to my friend and I checked with her that, do you know about these 12 universal laws? She was like, what are you talking about? What are these? Of course, the answer was obviously no. This got me to thinking, how many people even know these laws exist? How would life be different for people if they knew these laws make up the universe? With this in mind, I wanted to devote this channel to the 12 universal laws. Without any further delay, here are those 12 amazing life changes law. I will be describing them in detail in my upcoming videos, but just listing them down for your knowledge right now. The law of universal oneness, the law of attraction, the law of vibration, the law of correspondence, the law of inspired action, the law of cause and effect, the law of compensation, the law of perpetual transmutation of energy, the law of relativity, the law of gender, the law of polarity, the law of rhythm. These are the 12 universal laws, and they are there for you to help you master your life. Whether you believe in them or you do not does not matter. You can disbelieve in the law of gravity too, but if you plan or if you want to try jumping out from the 5th floor and you end up either breaking any of your leg, any of your bone, maybe your backbone, and maybe somebody may lead towards death. At that time, if a person believes in law of gravity or not, it does not matter, but it existed. These laws were given to you by the sources to help you create the very best of your life. So master these 12 universal laws and you will master your life. In my upcoming video, I will talk about each of these laws and help you understand how they influence you and how your awareness for them can help you lead a positive change. Till then, take care, stay safe and healthy. Namaskar.